Okay guys, here we got the Turbo Racing 176 scale. So 176 is the scale of this car, and I bought this unit and another one so I can play with my little one with these, and I just thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys. Should come with everything needed. The only thing you need is 4 AAAs for the receiver, or the transmitter, I'm sorry. And so it comes with this Chinese manual, it seems. Oh, there's actually some things in English here. Yeah, okay. So here got an English version of the manual. So Chinese and English, it seems. And some quick start guide, it seems to be. Something like that. About how to charge. And so here, this is the yellow one. You can see it over here. You can get it in a red, yellow and white one. And so this one is the yellow one. I bought the red one for the little guy. And so here's the unit. And it comes with 2 additional bodies with some extras. Here it seems maybe that's some lights and some exhaust and stuff. So yeah, here's the unit. And so here is the transmitter. Goes together something like this. And here we got a charging cable. So USB to USB Type-C. And yeah, here you can see it takes the USB Type-C connection up here. Seems to be underglowing lights or something. You can see those SMD LEDs right there. And yeah, it's much smaller than I expected actually, but it's a very cool little unit. And so you turn it on right here. And so yeah, here they are. They came on red, glowing red. And so this is the transmitter. Let's see. According to the manual, you need to twist that. Bring this out. And let's see if we can get that to go. I got these in the local store. Let's put these in. Something like that. Goes together something like this. And here it seems like you have another charge port. So maybe you can, yeah, it seems like you can mount the car like this and charge it. Nice. Very nice. And you can see the headlights are blinking. I don't know if you can see that, but that's probably because I need to turn this one on. Yeah, something happened right there. Nice. We got steering, and it's fully proportional steering. That's so cool with these little cars that you can actually get that. Yeah, and full modulation for the throttle as well. Nice. Very nice little car. And then you got brake lights too. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Awesome. And then you actually, when you hit the brake after you've been pushing forward, it just goes into brake light. And then you will need to release and then push the reverse again to actually back up the car. Okay. Okay, so here on this channel 3 you can turn on and off the underglow. And what's this channel 4? Well, the channel 4 will turn on the headlights and the rear lights. Okay, and then you got throttle trim. You got throttle limits, throttle dual rate, it seems. Throttle trim, steering dual rate and steering trim. And then you got on, charge LED and off. So maybe this is what you put it into if you want to charge the car. I don't know yet. And then up here we got throttle limits. So 20, 50 or 100%. And then over here you got steering reverse. So normal or reverse you can put it into. But it's set up correctly in normal. So that's great. And yeah. I ordered it from Banggood 1.5 weeks ago or thereabout, so came here fairly fast. So yeah, this is what you get, guys, in the box, and these are the additional bodies that comes with the car that you can paint on your own if you want it in some different colors. I don't know what this clip is for though, but maybe it's just to hold the cable, I don't know. So yeah, that's how it comes. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you later. Så lad os prøve at køre den.
Bare skal jeg prøve en sang, hvis jeg kører her. Min bror er jo til at køre.
Okay, er vi klar? Okay, kom. Se om du kan følge med mig. Oh. Det er flot kørt. Kom. Lige at prøve det. Floor is just... There's not much grip on this floor.
Hvorfor gør du det ikke for mig?
You actually got more grip on the carts.
Så se, jeg gør jo ikke så hårdt. Hvorfor du også gøre det for mig? Hvorfor gør du det ikke for mig?
Nu har du også. Så sætter jeg lige af med det. Skal jeg prøve at sætte hastigheden op?
Ja, for mig.